Hey guys, it's Denise Holman here, and today is Wednesday. I am working into making my slides for my course, my mini workshop that I'm going to be doing my group next week. But I wanted to share this quick tip for you guys because I know it will be very helpful. It used to be so complicated to, not so much complicated, but it would take a little more time to create slides in PowerPoint or anywhere you go, right? Nowadays, you can actually go ahead and do it in Canva.com. I love Canva because it just allows me to do anything I want pretty much. And let me share my screen so I'll show you what I'm talking about. But yeah, it's not that hard. I created these slides in less than 15 minutes. Like I'm not kidding. But before I created my slides, of course I have my outline, right? It's important that we have an outline of what we want to create. So minimum words, not like bullets, right? We don't want to create slides that have so many words or tell a whole story in letters, right? We want just bullet points that is going to help visually our prospects or students to get the point, right, of what we're trying to explain. So that's why slides are important. But yeah, if you see here, I created my my outline for my workshop, and pretty much this is what I'm going to be creating. I just created, be clear in what you want to sell. So if you go here in Canva, I'm going to show you really quick how easy it is. So you go to canva.com. In case you don't know it yet, it's the biggest easiest place to work in for designing. You can design anything here, like anything. If you go to templates, you see that you have options to design anything. Like you can design Facebook posts, Instagram stories, Instagram posts. You can do here, like they have so many templates how you can utilize these and tweak it for your own niche. You can do Instagram stories, Instagram posts, Facebook covers. I use this a lot to create my covers. Like there's so many templates here you can use. Flyers, if you need to create flyers for your company and your business, here are so many templates you can use and tweak. Presentations. So this is where I am. I actually clicked here on presentations. Let me take you here. So see all. Let me see all the presentation templates they have. And I'm gonna just start with create a blank presentation, and that's gonna give me like blank pages, but it's going to give me the templates on the left for the presentations. And you can see here, like if you have so many templates, I like to just use simple ones. So I picked this one, marketing proposal, and it gives you a lot of templates from that design. So for me, it was just simple. I just wanted to put the title, like I show you here, where I work. If I go to my home or all my designs, you'll see what I created here. And my theme color is this gold yellow. So I'm just using the same gold yellow that I use to create my first PDF files and things that I'm collecting for my class. So what you do is you pick any template you want and you just update it with your information, right? With your bullet points. In this case, like my outline says, be clear in what you want to sell. I want to teach, this important step because I need my students to understand that we have to only work with one product or one service, and that's it to build one funnel. Like we don't want 5 products, 5 services, and build tons of funnels in 7 days. So I want to make sure they know and they have their one product and one service ready, or one service ready to go through this workshop. So be clear what you said you want to sell. And then I'm putting a little quote here that it's just going to help me explain more of why I'm sharing this important step with them. Like it's a lack of clarity that creates chaos and frustration. Those emotions are poison to any living soul. So pretty much I'm going to go ahead and explain why it's important, why this quote impacted me in my journey, and why I advise for people to have clarity in what they want to do to achieve, right? So here, pick only one thing, and that's it. That's pretty much my slide for this class. It's a very short video that I'm gonna be making about clarity. But yeah, my second topic or video is about what do you pick, how do you pick a product or service? So here I have, my ideas, and my bullet points, and here, you know, like I created this quick picture, and I'll show you how I created this picture. So pretty much I got, if you have a Mac Pro, you go to your Finder and go to your applications, and you should have an application that is called Photo Booth application. And I opened that, okay, right from here. And I'm going to take a picture, and I'm going to take a picture based on, you know, what I'm trying to explain. So in this case, it's like how, you know, or which product, you know, do we pick, right? So I'm going to do something like this, right? Something like it's going to align with what I'm trying to teach. So I'm going to go ahead and just take a picture, like, right? Let's say I want to use that picture. So not the best picture, but anyway. So let's say I want to use that picture. I'm going to go ahead and drag it to my desktop. So easy. Close this tab, close this tab. Sorry for all these tabs. I'm going to close this tab too. And I'm going to open the one I'm working on. And pretty much I'm going to upload in Canva the picture I just took. Okay. Let's say it's, I don't know which one it was, the last one. I think it was something like this one. I'm just going to add it because let's say that's the one I want to use. And I'm going to put it in the template. So that's it. That's pretty much how it works, right? It's, you just drag it and it's right there. But in this case, I just want to keep the same one that I'm already using, but I'm going to flip it. So I'm going to flip horizontal, and that's it, right? It's so easy, guys. Like if you try it, you wouldn't love it. And then I'm, you know, creating another little slide that I use from this template, the same one. So let me show you this. This is my second template that I used. And in this case, I just wanted to show two elements. So I picked this one right here. Let me show you right here. I picked this one, and I pretty much deleted this one and say, no, I don't want this. I don't want this. And I don't want this. So I dragged this here, a little more centered, right? And I still wanted to put a little tape because I thought it was really neat to have this design. So, and I'm going to drag the content, and I'm just going to update the content. And in this case, for me, it was, you know, about you can, you know, sell between your own product or someone else's product. And that's all the bullet points that I needed. So I put a picture of a product, and like I went here, photos, and you search like products, right? And you have so many pictures of products just to give people that visual, right? Like let's say in this case, I picked this one. I thought it was neat, and it just kind of like aligned what I want to say. But you can also do something like this, like products, right? Like that. But I like the other one better for me, so I'm gonna keep it there. And then I just wanted to give them, you know, like a visual idea of it could also be a service. So I look for service here. And I just kind of want to see something that would align with what I'm trying to, you know, make them stick with in their mind. So service, you know, in this case for me, it was better just to, you know, like put something like this, like a sign, because then it will impact you. You know, you will remember that sign of like service. Yeah, it could also be a service. So you can sell product or you can sell service, right? And then here I'm talking about what kind of products you can sell and where can you find these products. So then I put the ideas, you know, like physical product, it can be a digital product, it can be a service. Physical products, you can go ahead and find some maker or vendor in Etsy.com. There's tons and millions of people offering products there. You can email them and offer them to, you know, create a funnel for them if you can get a percentage of their, you know, their products for whatever you sell. And you can also go ahead and do the same thing in Fairy. Pick a product that you love, you know, you're passionate about talking about and sharing. Or maybe you have a friend who sells her own products or his own products, and you want to help him sell, and you know, then you can work out commission percentage to work with him or with her. So, and digital products is the same thing, but digital products are products that are created to be used digitally, right? So like, let's say you can go in this case to ClickBank. That's a huge marketplace where you can pick products and become an affiliate of other marketers who created these products that are, you know, high converting products, like are, you know, like strong products to sell in the market. And ClickBank have, niches for every single thing. Like you can sell products from finance, you can sell products for cooking, for spirituality, anything you can sell. I used to sell a product in ClickBank that was about hypnosis because I loved hypnosis, and it was really awesome. So check it out. ClickBank.com is definitely one of the places. But anyway, in ClickFunnels, and of course, they have an amazing products that you can affiliate yourself with and sell. Or you can also go to this platform called gvzoo.com. And you can also find a lot of digital products there that you can affiliate yourself with and sell for a percentage of commission. And of course, we can also sell services. Like in this case, my husband's financial firm, we created a funnel to sell retirement planning, right? So you can go ahead and work with a dentist and sell his services. You can work with an agency. You can work with a spa, like anything. You can work with a taekwondo school and sell their services. So there's so many ways that how you can pick a product, but make sure, and this is where my next slide comes in, make sure you pick something good to sell, okay? It has to be competitive. That means that it has to be like a key, like people are looking for, and that people, want it in the market. It has to be innovative, you don't pick something that everybody else is selling or is already, like saturated in the market. Pick something that is searched, wanted, and definitely something you love. The most important thing is that you have to be passionate about what you're selling. You have to believe in the product. You have to use it before you can use it, sell it or have it, because that's going to allow you to bring the belief, let your prospect believe that it's something that you would use or that work for you. So make sure you sell something that you're proud to sell and that you're happy to talk about. Okay, so that's pretty much what I wanted to share, guys. Go ahead, and if you want to start creating your slides for any reason, use canva.com. It's truly my favorite. It is free. All right, guys, see you in the next video. Bye-bye.